So I've been curating my denim handbag collection for some time now, and I finally got that last missing piece. We're going to open it up today, so let's get into it. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But let's get into it today. I just want to come on here real quick. This is not going to be a long video at all. Just want to show you the last piece from my denim handbag collection. Now, y'all know that we've been talking about denim for a couple of years now. Coach has really been doing the big one with the denim pieces. I never got the denim tabby, and y'all know why. I thought it was too expensive for a fabric bag, but I did pay full price for my denim Cassie. Everything else I have got on sale or I've managed to find suitable dupes. So this one last piece was one that I've been wanting for a while, and I just never pulled the trigger on it. Really inexpensive piece, so I should have gotten it a long time ago, but better late than never. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I got it from Amazon because I wanted it the next day. I wanted to do the overnight shipping, and I knew that was not going to be possible if I purchased it directly from the retailer. So let me go ahead and grab it out. Now, it did not come in a box. It did not come in a box this time. So I was a little disappointed with that because the bag is kind of structured, but it appears to be okay. It is still in its factory wrapping. So now I'm sure y'all know what it is. I went on ahead and got the cargo tote 20 in denim. Let me get this paper off of here. So I have been going back and forth on whether or not I wanted this size or the regular size, but I decided to go for the smaller size because for me, the smaller size is just going to be more me, and I know I'll wear it more. Also, I just sold a denim tote because of the size, and that was at Telfar. I just thought it was too big, so I didn't want to risk getting the Coach, the 26 size, and not liking it. So I feel like this one is going to be perfect because I really wanted it as just a cute little top handle. And I think this one fits the bill. So y'all know what this bag looks like, but we're gonna go over it just in case. So as you can see, it has the Coach New York embroidered on the front. Really, really cute. You have a little turn lock closure here on this front slip pocket. Let me get all of the plastic and stuff off of here. So this turn lock closure does work. It is functional. It's not just decorative because there is a front compartment here. So the inside is just one compartment, and it's like a dark blue denim. There are no slip pockets or anything, but there is a back compartment. So you have a front compartment with the turn lock closure, and then the back compartment has a snap closure. And you have your hooks for your crossbody strap. So they are cat corner or diagonal to each other. So you got one on the back right, and then you got one on the front left side. So the crossbody strap is a web strap with leather trim. So this is what it's looking like. And then it has the kettle leather trim on it. Really, really cute. And then I love the Vachetta leather hang tag that comes on this bag. I think that's also a really nice touch. The zipper pull is also the Vachetta leather. You got the Vachetta at the end of the zipper. The pull is tuckable, so you don't have to have it like sticking out. I really like the button details on this bag. I mean, it really looks like a pair of jeans. So you've got like little buttons right here. Really cute, super cute. This bag does not have feet, but you can see that it has like a gold or yellow stitching on it. And it's fairly deep. So this bag is super cute. I'm gonna grab a few things just so I can show y'all real quick what fits, because I don't really see a need to come back to do another what's in my bag for this. So I'm gonna just do it now and just give y'all an idea of what could fit in this bag in case this is one that you've been looking at and just wasn't sure. So I'm not going to use a full-size wallet, obviously, in this bag because we want to maximize the space. I'm not even going to use a half-size wallet. For me, this bag calls for a card case. So we just going to throw this in here. And y'all, I am still in the LV And y'all, this bag has really grown on me. I know I waited almost a year to move into it because this bag was sent to me like last spring. But I am really starting to like this bag, and I realize that the less you put in it, the better it looks on. So it slouches a lot better if it's like halfway full or less than half full. So even though it holds a lot, it actually looks better if you don't put as much in it. But I love the slouch on this bag. I thought it was going to be too big, but it's not. The only thing I will say is that I don't like the leather strap that comes with it. And I saw a video where somebody had doubled it up so that it was about the length of this strap, so they could use the leather strap as a shoulder strap and let this hang. But and I tried that, but it just didn't work for me. It was awkward, always having to move the strap out of the way. So I've just been carrying it with the chain strap on it, and it's been a really, really fun carry. But anyway, let me get out of here, and let's just throw some stuff in that's in this bag, in the little bag, so we can see what all fits. I'm not gonna put no SLGs in this bag, so I'm gonna throw in a can of mints, a lip balm, a pack of gum, my key holder, surprisingly, the phone case fits in the front pocket. So I have the iPhone 15. It's not a Pro Max or a Pro or Max, whatever. It's just the regular size iPhone 15. And it fits perfectly in this front pocket. And it's not too tall to close. So like it doesn't get in the way of the closure either. So you can have this open or close with the regular size iPhone in this front pocket, which is really nice. I don't have to put the phone in the center zipper compartment. I can still have easy access. So I can put it in the front or the back if I want it. Um, and this bag still has plenty of room. So I'm gonna throw in a fingernail file, Kleenex, my compact mirror. So I'm gonna put the compact mirror in the back compartment. Hand sanitizer, poopery. Like all of this stuff fits, and there's still plenty of room. So we can put in another lip gloss. This is Bubblegum Binge. It's the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I'm actually wearing this now. And I'll even throw in like an eye or lip pencil. So y'all look, there's still room in this bag for more. And I have everything that I would need. I have my card holder, my keys, my phone, poopery, hand sanitizer, mints, Kleenex, like everything that I would need fits in here, and there's still room for more. Let's see what it looks like once I zip it. Okay, so this is what it looks like full, no bulging, and like I said, there's still plenty of space. Now I do notice though, like if you don't have anything in this back pocket, this snap is really hard to close. Like you have to really put in a little effort to get this back snap to close if the bag is not stuffed completely. But this is all that I would put in here. I got everything I need and still have room. So I think this is the perfect size, and I'm glad that I went with this one instead of the larger one. Let me put the strap on and show y'all what the strap looks like on here. So this strap is adjustable. I probably won't use it, but it is a very nice strap. So if you were to wear it crossbody, this is how the strap would look. But guys, this is it. I just wanted to come on here and show you the final piece in my denim collection and just give you a quick what fits, just in case you were looking at this bag. So I got this off Amazon, like I said, and they do offer overnight and 2-day shipping. So I will link it below just in case you are looking for something maybe for Christmas or looking for an inexpensive gift for someone else or yourself, this one right here, I think, is definitely a winner, and it's at such an amazing price. Even at full price, it's really affordable. So that's all that I had today. I just wanted to come on here and show you the final piece in my denim collection and give you an idea of what all would fit in this little bag. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it answered any questions you might have about this size cargo tote. Let me know in the comments if you have this bag in your collection already. But thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.